And chaos erupted in the parliament today when the Vice President Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar hit out at the opposition. Earlier today, Dhankar angrily got up from his chair, condemned certain opposition members and left the upper house for a short while. He claimed that opposition members had insulted him by claiming that they are the only ones whose hearts are bleeding in connection with the disqualification of Vinesh Phogat from the Paris Olympics over being slightly overweight for the 50 kg category.
यहाँ बैठने में अपने आप को सक्षम नहीं पा रहा हूँ। मैं दुखी मन से नमस्कार। यहाँ बैठने में अपने आप को सक्षम नहीं पा रहा। Mr. Derek O'Brien, you are shouting at the chair. Your conduct is ugliest in the house. You are shouting at the chair. I condemn your action. Next time I'll show you the door. How dare you shout at the chair? And senior leaders are not taking note of it. This is unbecoming conduct. I will not countenance it. Honorable members, we have seen the ugliest of scene. They think they are the only one whose heart is bleeding. The entire nation is in pain because of our girl. Entire nation is feeling the pain. Right from the president to the prime minister to myself and many more, everyone is sharing the situation. But to monetize it, to politicize it, is the greatest disrespect to that girl. That girl has a long way to go. I was so happy that the state of Haryana immediately announced we will give her all commendations, all financial relief that is due to a medal winner. There is a state government that has recognized her as a medal winner. दुखी मन से मैं मेरी शपथ से दूर नहीं भग रहा हूं, पर मुझे जो आज मैंने देखा है, जिस तरीके का व्यवहार सदस्य ने किया है, शारीरिक रूप से किया है, जिस तरीके का व्यवहार इधर से भी हुआ है, मैं कुछ समय के लिए यहां बैठने में अपने आप को सक्षम नहीं पा रहा हूं। मैं दुखी मन से नमस्कार।
Crossing over to my colleague Rishabh now. Rishabh, massive chaos in the parliament, as we have just shown our viewers as well. How has the opposition responded to this?
Well, if you see, there was a demand from the opposition benches that a discussion on Vinesh Phogat should happen in the upper house, which the chair and the ruling benches were not in favor of. After that, there was a ruckus inside the parliament, and there was even a walkout from the opposition benches, to which, during the ruckus, the vice president and the chair of Rajya Sabha took an offense and said that the way opposition is behaving, he do not feel comfortable sitting on the chair because, the ruckus is not hurled at him but at the chair, and the respect for chair is paramount inside the house. And that's the reason that we also saw the chairman and the vice president of the country moving out of the upper house for some time as well. The opposition believe that there has to be a discussion on Vinesh Phogat. It is, an important issue. India has been deprived of a gold medal at Olympics, and any player who has been denied a chance to contest in the finals is something that needs to be taken very seriously. Remains to be seen how things unfold. What we are also given to understand that the floor leaders meeting from the upper house has been called in by the vice president. Outcomes of that meeting is yet not known. Once we get to understand what happened in that meeting, we'll be in a better position to tell our viewers how opposition and the chair of Rajya Sabha is looking at what happened in the upper house earlier today.